YouTube, what is good? My name is Christian Justin, and this is going to be the first video in like a small series I'm doing, which is basically going to be short tips for beginners or intermediate photographers. And this video is all going to be about foreground. Sometimes when you take a picture, the whole image can just look flat. Now, this is where using a foreground would work. Having a foreground in the image will create depth of the photo. Sometimes as well, having a foreground in your image can also have the same effect as leading lines, and it can be used to draw attention to the main subject of your image. Most landscape photographers who actually use this technique most of the time use trees, flowers or bushes as their foreground. And there are some amazing portrait photographers, just like Brandon Woeful, I think that's how you say it, who uses lights, flowers and even just colours sometimes. So next time you're out shooting, try looking for some foreground to maybe give your image some depth or maybe even just bring it to life. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.